Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yayan. I would like to present my topic that is about wet tropical rainforest, specifically in physical factor that affecting. As we know together that tropical rainforest area has general characteristics such as the location and how the type of vegetation that inhabit this area, and also the temperature that uh, happen in the area in average, as the rainfall is higher than the other area in the part of the world. It means that the precipitation is high, affecting to the humidity of that area. As the tropical rainforest accepting the direct sunlight, it means that throughout the year, this area almost warm. According to Leonard Stevens, tropical rainforest area also uh, looks like the museum of hypotheses because there is a lot of uh, kind of research can be conducted in this area. I would like to uh, explain about what else the physical factors that affecting tropical rainforest area. Let me start with the first one is distribution of the tropical rainforest area. The tropical rainforest area is located in along of equatorial line, which is the first is to equator to 10 degree to 25 degree of north and south latitude, such as we can found in America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. And if we go to east, we can find that East Brazil, Madagascar, and Northeast Australia is also part of the tropical rainforest area, and the rest is the east coast of Panama and Costa Rica, and also is Puerto Rico. As the tropical rainforest area located along the equatorial line, it means that uh, this area accepting direct uh, sunlight or exposure from the sun. It means that uh, all the all throughout the year, this area almost warm, and also because it receives direct sunlight through the year, it means this area have abundant light as primary energy for photosynthetic organisms, from microorganisms such as single-cell bacteria, algae, to macroorganisms that is plants. So the abundance of the energy means attract the other species to inhabit or to live in this area, from producer to consumer. That is why megadiversity country located along equatorial line, and the third is precipitation and humidity. According to its name, the tropical rainforest area means that the amount of water which is available in the forest and have frequent rainfall. It means that this area accepting high of rainfall throughout the year. As we can see that during January to December, almost all of the month accepting uh, rainfall, which is the annual of the rainfall about 103 inches per year. So, according to Chaudhry et al. 1998, uh, the highest of worldwide terrestrial evaporation takes place in tropical rainforest. It means affecting local, regional, global climate as a result of water cycle on that area. In addition, as a high evapotranspiration, increasing availability of water vapor in the air, which is the humidity, which is mean the humidity is high in this tropical rainforest area. As we can see that as an example, the Amazon forest evaporates about 20 billion tons of water per day. It means that higher than Amazon River sending 17 billion tons of water to the sea per day. And also by uh, and also the Amazon forest also releases 40% of world's oxygen. And the last one, the physical factors which is affecting a tropical rainforest area is the soil condition. As we know that tropical rainforest area has or accepting large amount of rainfall. It means that the soil condition of this area low in nutrients because as frequent rainfall remove away the nutrients from soil and withered rock. Plants have strategy how to adapting to the poor of soil condition in this area by utilize decompose or decaying organism as a source of mineral. And some plant also have the strategy to create symbiosis uh, with the other microorganisms or nitrogen fixing bacteria or also the specific plant such as Venus or Nepenthes has specialized leaves which is captures the source of protein directly from trapped insect. Even the soil of tropical rainforest area is poor, but it has big role to storing The large amount of carbon in Amazon forests, for example, it stores about 14 to 15 kilograms per meter square of carbon. The current disturbance, which is still happening for tropical rainforest area, mostly caused by human activity, or uh, we can say that the disturbances caused by deforestation from mining, housing, or farming. That is my explanation about tropical rainforest area. Thank you.